Hey guys, welcome to this video. I hope you are doing great. Today I was thinking we would go on a treasure hunt. This house keeps surprising me, mostly in a good way of course, but come along and see what treasures I have found. Why are we on the floor, you might wonder? Well, when I got the keys to the house from the real estate agent, there was one key on the keychain that she didn't know where it went, this key. It looks like it could be for a gun cabinet or a safe. So I've been looking a little bit around the house to see if I could find some safe with gold in it, and I think I found it here. Let me show you. Here it is, and I think it should be this key. Let's have a look and see if it fits. It did. Wow. Let's hope for gold, right? Yeah, no, it's of course empty. I would maybe have hoped that there would be some documents or paper from the house on some drawings or something like that. Maybe a map or something like that. Maybe showing where the water well is located. The next treasure is right here in front of our eyes, and I had no idea that this one existed up until now. I think that well, let me just show you. I need to remove these, so bear with me a little bit here. So let's see if we can. I'm not sure if you can see, but I will show you later. It's a grease pit, so to say. It's like a shaft 2 meters deep and then maybe 3-4 meters wide and so on. So I'm not sure what to make out of it. It's just my initial thought was just to fill it with some gravel or whatnot and so on. But maybe it can serve as like a root cellar or maybe a bunker or should I fill it up with like water and keep fish in it or I don't know. Yeah, let's see what to make out of it. For sure it's added to the treasure list. There was one surprise treasure left behind. You remember this contraption? I thought it had something to do with a water well and so on, and maybe it has. I'm not sure, but the question is what is hidden under this, should we say, roof or lid or something. So I'm not sure if I can remove it here, but let's see, and let's see the treasure. Yeah, check this out. It's filled with junk, basically. Some old, I don't know, wheels for something, some old tools. There's a relay for, I don't know, something, some screws and bolts and whatnot, well, I'm not sure, some hosing material. We have some cables, electronics waste, and yeah, it looks like let's put this one back. For sure, this one was a surprise treasure. Maybe I could have been without this one. I'm not complaining though, I'm not complaining. Within the treasure there was this treasure chest. It's quite old, it looks like. There is something inside, but unfortunately right now I cannot get it open. But rest assured I will find my way inside here and find out what's hidden inside. Here you can maybe get an understanding the magnitude of junk that was hidden in this this contraption. It's I believe it's actually a fountain, so triple treasure maybe. But yeah, let's move on to the next treasure. In the back room of the garage I found this drill and then also a wood lathe, and outside the garage there is also a big saw, like a circular saw. I'm not sure if they are working or not. When I got the electricity working here in the garage, by accident I started up the wood lathe and it started to spin, so it seems to be working. But yeah, nice surprises for sure. Let's see what to make out of it. Talking about treasure, I still consider this sauna one of the treasures. It was kind of a little bit surprising to find it here, and it's really good condition. So I consider it making the treasure top list here. I don't want to be like that, keep nagging about this view, but I consider this to be one of the treasures as well, so maybe on the top of the treasure list. Thank you for watching this video and joining the treasure hunt. I hope you enjoyed it a little bit. It's surprising what you can find at the old places like this. But for now I think this is it for this video, and I hope I can see you in the next one.